Did you grow up watching Atlantis and believing that somewhere deep in the ocean that there was just this fantastical world just waiting to be discovered? Well, if that's you, like me, the deep diver specialty is the specialty for you. My name is Jason, and today we will be going over the deep diver specialty with PADI. Let's dive in. The Deep Diver certification provides you with 4 checkout dives below 18 meters or 60 feet. You will learn more about gas toxicity and narcosis that the open water course only touches on through the theory portion of the class. Once you have the checkout dives and the theory done, you will be certified for up to 40 meters or 130 feet. Anything below this is considered tech diving and requires a lot of equipment and a lot of redundancy and a lot of training. We will go over tech diving and all that entails in a future video outside of this series. What are the prerequisites to get into deep diving? Divers must be at least 15 years old and be at least an adventure diver. Many people go ahead and skip the adventure diver step and go straight into their advanced, which gives you one of the checkout dives for your deep. So, what equipment do you need? As a recreational diver, the minimum equipment that you'll need for your deep is going to be a computer and at least one flashlight between you and your buddy to have a redundant light system. Although it is definitely recommended to get 2 lights for safety reasons in case one of the 2 go out between the 2 of you. It is also recommended to go ahead and get your own slate. That way you can record anything, and also some slates come with the actual color grading, so you'll be able to see the different effects of depth that light has when it comes to color grading. So there is our quick introduction on the deep specialty. We will be going deeper in a future video, but for now that's a quick primer as to what to expect and what it entails for the certification. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. It really helps out the channel a lot. Thank you, and bye!